box? What? Unbox this box? Do you say that? I don't know what I'm talking about. What? Vad fan i helvete? Oh, what? Am I doing it wrong? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of Mars. A week ago I uploaded an unboxing of another Goodiebox, but that was the vegan limited edition one, so this is the regular monthly box. I have tried to avoid a lot of social media, so I haven't sneak peeked on anything. I have no clue what's inside the box. So if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really suggest you to do that. Just click the button down there and the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. So with that said, let's start this unboxing. I'm always happy when I receive this box and excited. I don't even know what the theme is of this month. Okay, so they continue to go on this orange and yellow theme. I would really appreciate some other colors of the boxes, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. People may love these kind of colors. For you who doesn't know what Goodiebox is, I can tell you that it's a beauty subscription box. You receive it monthly for an amount of 199 Swedish crowns, so around $19. I think this is not sponsored or anything like that, but I have an affiliate link in the description box. If you use that, you get 50% off your first box and I receive goodie points. With those goodie points I can eventually buy boxes, so I do not get paid or anything. I just collect these goodie points, so nothing else, nothing sketchy. We're not in collaboration, nothing. I do not even know if they know I exist, so I would love to work with them, just to clarify that, but I don't. But if you use the link, you get 50% off your first box, and I mean, that's amazing. Use it if you want. I would, but yeah. Okay, so let's start. And as I said, I would maybe prefer some other colors of the box, but besides from that, I'm satisfied. And you can save them and store it, maybe makeup or yeah, anything inside these. I do. And then you have the actual box. You have this little paper with description of all the products, and yeah, what does it say? What is the theme? I think the theme is bold love. I won't open it because I don't want to see the products, but I will read in this later. So it's very cute packaging. So I just opened and then I take one product at a time. Oh, okay. So the first product is Intense Aftercare Keratin Hair Mask. Oh my god, that sounds very fun. So it's salt-free, sulfate-free, and silicone-free. Intense formulation for dry, damaged hair. Silky frizz-free results. And the brand is Cougar by Paula Dunn. Yeah, okay, I have no idea. We'll read about this later, but big size, probably full-size products. Maybe open. Oh, chlorine, a bathroom, citrus maybe. It's a product that you use frequently, a hair mask, so you always need to get more. So it's not a product you will just let sit on the shelf. You will actually use it. So really appreciate it. We'll read more about it later. And the second product is Age Defense pH solution. Stabilize all skin types for face, body, scalp. Stabilize skin pH after use of water or soap. Pure natural active. And I don't know if the brand is 02 or if the brand is Karma Medu. Upon application, this innovative pH solution stabilizes the skin's pH level, a key factor for resilient, healthy, and radiant skin. Okay, so you apply this on your face, your décolletage, your hands, your scalp, or any other area you want to protect and balance. Do not rinse off. Use on dry skin as the first step after contact with water, also for use on dermatologically challenged skin for optimal skin consumptions. So I have no idea what this is. Okay. I'm very dry right now, so I mean, isn't that what it's for? It doesn't smell like anything. That actually made my hands feel softer without getting greasy or, you know, disgusting. Yeah, I like that. That's perfect. I have real issues with my dryness, especially on the hands, because I wash them a lot. I work a lot with my hands, so they get really dry, and I just get issues with my dryness. So this would help me a lot. So interesting. I don't know if this is a product that I would expect to receive in a beauty box, but it's still a very good product, so I'm not angry. So yeah. Then we have, what is this? A lip oil. Nourish and protect from Comedux. I think that Comedux is somehow a company of Goodiebox, so, or at least they may work with them or they have business with them. So this is a lip oil. Oh my god, have they glued it? What? What the Okay, I can't open this. Okay, I need to get a towel or something.
One eternity later.
Now it's open. What? Okay, so it has a really funny applicator. So let's apply that. I have really dry lips right now. I like it. My lips look very, very huge and plump and sexy, and yeah, I'm ready to go to the club. No. Okay, so I'm a bit tired right now and I'm going to film a video after this, so we'll see how that goes. But okay, so the packaging is really, really cute. It's to die for, but I usually prefer packaging that isn't see-through, because over time this will get really disgusting to look at. You will see some discoloration, you will see it blending with other products, you know, you take it on your lips now and then and you get other products inside. I mean, that's disgusting, but it's the truth. So after a while it will be really disgusting to look at this, and that's a bit disturbing, and it can result in you throwing the product before you use it up and before you actually would if you didn't have a see-through packaging. It may not happen, but I think it will. So really cute packaging, but I would prefer a packaging that aren't see-through. I actually do not own so many lip glosses. I know this isn't a lip gloss, but it is a lip oil, so it's kind of the same thing. Yeah, I love it. My lips feel really, really moist, and yeah, I like. And then next product, I don't know what this is. It looks fancy. So it's from Nire. I think we have received something from them before. Maybe the brush? What's it? In the Goodiebox of December, we received this powder brush from Nire. So it's the same brand. So this is a face prep tool and it's vegan friendly, not tested on animals, recyclable, hypoallergenic. The Nire face prep tool is the ideal cleansing partner, gently exfoliating the face. It removes impurities, creating the perfect base for face masks and makeup. The more you know, the more you glow. Curious? And then they have a link to their Instagram and everything like that. I like the packaging of the product because it feels really nice. But let's open it. It's silicone. Oh my god, it's so cute. What is this? So you have this little thing to keep your fingers in place, and then you have like these small bumps, and it's going to exfoliate your skin, if I'm getting this right. It feels like it's very good quality, and I'm really going to test these out. I'm wondering if you are supposed to put product on and then exfoliate, or if you should just use this in water, or I don't know. So we'll read about that. I think we have one product left. So this is something fancy, I guess. Aurelia Probiotic Skincare. Revitalize and Glow Serum with jasmine, plumbaria, tuberose, and mandarin. 15 milliliters, and it has bio-organic ingredients. This award-winning lightweight serum harnesses Aurelia's probiotic ingredients to protect, restore, and balance the skin from within. It feels good on the hand. All products I use and use up will end up in my empty videos, so you will eventually get my opinion on all products I receive in these boxes. And if it's a product that you never see in my empty videos and you never hear me talk about them again, you can just leave a comment and I will be sure to bring that into next empty videos, so you don't miss out on my opinions. But yeah, just to mention that. So let's read about the products a bit. So that is the paper, and here you have a picture of all the products and then descriptions. First of all, we have the Aurelia Revitalize and Glow Serum. So this is actually not full size. The full size is 30 milliliters. This is 15. And the full size product retails for almost $80. So this is really expensive. I didn't know it was that expensive. So ridiculous price. Really ridiculous price. But I mean, come on. Very fun to test that expensive product, so I'm not complaining. Okay, fun. The next product is the Comedux Lip Love. So this is full size and it retails for 189 Swedish crowns, so around $18. It has a mixture of vitamin C, E, and F. And also you can apply it over a regular lipstick. Then we have the Nire Beauty Face Prep Tool. So it's a full size. It retails for 50 Swedish crowns, so around $5. That's not expensive. So yeah, happily surprised. Use your favorite cleaning product and use the prep tool in a circular motion. I'm really going to test this out. I'm looking forward to it. And then we have the Cougar Intense Aftercare Keratin Hair Mask. It's a full size and retails for 437 Swedish crowns. That's a lot. So around $42. Apply on newly washed hair, damp hair, and massage this in the lengths. Let it be for 5 to 10 minutes and then you can rinse it off. Okay. Usually I use my hair mask before my conditioner, but I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I'm so excited about all the products. Come on. And then we have the last product. It's the Karma Medu Hero pH Solution 02. So it's also a full size and it retails for 289 Swedish crowns, $28 maybe. So you can apply it however you want. There are no rules. It has a lovely smell. Did I smell it? I think I did. We'll smell it again. What are they talking about? It doesn't smell. It has no smell. I don't know what they're talking about. It has no smell. But it says that. This is this amazing smell. It doesn't smell. It doesn't smell anything. It smells like air. But okay. We just pretend we didn't read that. I love that you always get so big sizes of everything, and they are these very expensive and luxury brands. And I mean, these kind of things, I love it. It's so fun to test out new things, and they are very good to pick out different kind of categories to their boxes. But I have never said anything bad about this box because I love them with my whole heart. But I'm still waiting for a bit more makeup in these boxes because we haven't seen that in a while. And I mean, before I started this subscription, I saw that I think it was Denmark who received eyeshadow palettes, face palettes, they got eyeshadow brushes, and we haven't. So I'm still waiting for that because I love makeup and makeup is my biggest passion in life. Yeah, sadly, but it is, and it's very important for me to test out new makeup products, and I think that has a bigger importance to me than skin products. So I'm not saying this is a no for me. I still love the box. I will use everything I got. I love the products. This isn't something I would never think that I would get this in a box. I don't know if it really fits to the theme and the whole box, beauty box thing, but this is so good. I'm really happy about it. It's really something I need in my life. So I don't mean that the products are bad, not at all, but I would really prefer more makeup products. I know that you have them in other countries and you put them in other boxes, but not in Sweden. I don't really know why, but I would just... I just want to mention that we are waiting for makeup and we want makeup. More makeup, please. Yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. And also, I want to mention again, if you're going to start this subscription, use my affiliate link. You have it in the description box. You will get 50% off your first box. That's amazing. Not sponsored or anything like that. With that said, I see you in the next video. Bye!